So let me start recording one more time. Okay, so welcome to day number 19, day number 19. And thank you, Soumya, thank you, Ashwini, thank you, Ishita, and thank you, Sucharita, for joining such a wonderful session. And thank you for showing up. And you had a choice to be somewhere else, but you chose to be here. That really speaks volume about you. It shows that how much dedicated, disciplined, committed you are for this particular session, the magic book session. So take your hands like this and pat your back and speak after me. I am amazing. मेरा तो जवाब नहीं.
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं।
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं. Yes,
मेरा तो
wonderful,
मेरा
जवाब
तो
ही नहीं।
जवाब ही
superb.
नहीं।
Yes, wonderful, superb. Okay, so today we'll be talking about what's the chapter today. It is a magical footsteps. Magical footsteps. So before we begin the session, let me set the context of today's session. So have you ever gone to any kind of beach? Have you ever gone to any beach? Goa, Maldives, Andaman, Kerala, Mumbai. So have you ever gone to any beach?
बीच, यस यस मैम। इन पूरी।
Okay, in Puri. Very nice. And what about Ashwini? Ashwini, where did you go? Have you seen any beach?
Yes, I was there with you, ma'am, in Goa.
In Goa. Okay, very nice. Good. Okay, so we all have seen beaches. Okay,
Yes.
so what do we see on beaches? Like we see on the beaches abundance. Abundance of water, abundance of trees, abundance of buildings, abundance of sand, abundance of everything. We feel like, wow, we are abundant. We are abundant. We are the abundant kids of the abundant universe, isn't it? So everything is in abundance there. So, like
Mm.
sunlight, clouds, clarity, like so many possibilities, opportunities. We feel like, oh, wow. So, we are abundant. We are abundant. So, whenever I go to any kind of beaches, I feel that. I feel that. So, when you feel that, so what happens? So, if you feel abundant, what happens? So, you attract abundance because like
Mm.
attracts likes, right? So if you feel lack, you will attract lack. If you feel scarcity, you will attract scarcity. If you feel abundant, you will attract abundance in your life. So why I'm starting life, so that you get to know. So whenever you go to these kind of places, whenever you go to any kind of garden where so many trees are there, like a lot of clouds are there, full like the sky is full of clouds, so many birds are there. One day I was watching that. I was looking at the sky, and the birds were going like, it was in V shape. Have you ever seen those kind of birds? And I was like, wow, yeah, the people are so amazing. Like, वो कैसे like they are like flying. वो एक एक
आई
बर्ड
थिंक
है
दे
वो
आर मोर डिसिप्लिन्ड देन अस।
then
दे आर
human
फ्लाइंग
beings. Yes,
डिसिप्लिन वे।
yes, yeah. It was like the first bird. वो जो आगे था वो like everybody was following that bird. Everybody was following, and I was like, wow, the people are people. I'm saying people. Okay, so they are so disciplined. So they listen to their leader, whosoever it is. The people listen, but we human being, we don't listen to our leaders, and we are like that. Okay, so we also have to be like abundant like them, like the sky, the cloud, the garden, like wherever you see, whatever you see. So you have to see the abundance. Like there are many people sitting in the room, so I can see the abundance. So in my background, I can see the abundance. Oh my God, wow, so many beautiful colors. Okay, so many people sitting in the room, so many things around me, so many books around me, so many pens, red, blue, black, so many pens are there. So I want you to make it a habit. So whatever you do, you have to start seeing the abundance around you, right? So whenever you go to any kind of any like beaches and wherever you go, so start seeing that abundance, like Ishita's background. So I can see the abundance. Clouds are there, sky is there, right? So blue color is in abundance. Clouds are in abundance. So you also have to make it a habit that wherever I'll be going, I will see the abundance. अभी पंखे की हवा में, wow, abundant. I am abundant. वाई वाओ, कितनी ब्यूटी, कितनी अच्छी हवा, ठंडी ठंडी हवा आ रही है. लाइट, ओ माय गॉड, सो मेनी लाइट्स आर ऑन. abundance. Fridge खोलो, abundance. Spice box follow, abundance. Everywhere you start seeing the abundance. So that you have to make it a habit. So that you have to make it a way of living. Yeah, Ashwini, I have seen like you have posted the video. I will see that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much, Somya. You as well. Okay. So what I was saying, so make it a habit that wherever I'll be, like so many hair. Okay, so I can see Ashwini is in loose hair. Okay, so like so many hairs. So like what I'm trying to say is everywhere, like start seeing abundance. Okay, so whenever you go to the beaches, so what do you see on the sand? On the sand, whenever you are walking barefoot. So what do you see? Or with the chappals and sleepers. So what do you see?
Footprints.
Footprints,
Footprints.
footsteps, footprints. Okay, so whenever you are walking along that beaches, so what do you feel? And whenever you are walking, like wherever you are going, so what do you feel when you are walking? क्या feel करते हो? And how do you feel right now? Because I want you to make it a habit. How are you feeling right now? Are you being grateful? Wow, beautiful. I'm sitting in a session.
Yes.
I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. I am sitting in the session. Wow, this is so beautiful. So every time I want you to, because if you are not being grateful, anyhow, you will be thinking something. You will be thinking something. If you go somewhere, so what do you think? So today my husband was at home, so I walked so many places because there were so many things pending. So I told him to take a leave today, and because I also had to do a lot many things, I had to go to so many places. अभी वो physical burden, because this is what we do. Like once in a year, I get my all the like body checkups done. So last month it was done, so I had to consult the doctor, like whatever is chota mota chotput jo bhi hai. So I wanted to go there, so it was pending from long. So मुझे लगा कि चलो once in a year it happens, so it was pending from long, so I went there. And after that, like somewhere I went, and after that in the evening I went with my husband in the garden. So what I'm trying to say is, like wherever you go, you are walking. So with every footstep, you make it a habit that you say thank you, because any which way, otherwise you will be thinking negative. So this is
Mm.
happening, this is problem, this is problem, that is the problem. So every time, like we human beings, so that is the habit of ours, that we always think negative. So let me give you some examples. Okay, let's say there are two people go for morning walk. Okay, so one person says, क्यों यार वापस जाते ही I have to do a lot of work. Okay, I have to pack the tiffin, I have to prepare the breakfast, then I have to send my husband, I have to drop my kids to the school, and after coming back I have to do dusting and dishes and clothes and everything I have to do. One person is saying wow, and another person is saying, wow, we are so blessed, I'm breathing. Wow, so many beautiful gardens, beautiful greenery is there. Wow, wow, what an enchanting view. Wow, what a picturesque view I am seeing. So see, mentality of the first person and the second person, both are completely different. Both are completely different. So let's say they people are going for morning walk, and let's say two people are going for office. Okay, one person saying, "Oh my God, another day, another day." So again, I have to go to office. I have to take the taxi, and then I have to do a lot of work. So many file work, so many. The whole day I'll be sitting on the laptop, this and that. It is going to be so tiring. So you are attracting. So who is attracting? That person is attracting. He is going to be tired because he is attracting. He is chanting. He is chanting that I'll be tired. I'll be tired. I'll be tired. So you will be tired. And there is another person. He says, "Wow." And another day, I'm alive, I'm grateful. Wow, what a beautiful day. It's going to be the magical day for me. It's going to be the abundant day for me. I'll be getting so many possibilities. I'll be attracting so many possible opportunities. And I'll be learning something. I'll be growing in my life. So that also could be one of the ways, and this also could be one of the ways. So it's up to you. How do you want to create your life? Okay, so not morning walk, not like office going people. Let's take the example of housewife. Okay, so there are two housewives. Okay, so one housewife says, okay, so another day. Again, I have to prepare this, I have to do this, I have to do a lot of work. And the another woman say, another woman says that, wow, I have to cook food for my family. My family will be eating. My family will be growing. I'll be giving them nutritious food. I'll be giving them balanced diet. Okay, so I'll be taking care of my family. I'm so blessed that I have beautiful family. I have kids. I have my in-laws. I have my parents with me. I'm so blessed. So it's up to you. What kind of life do you want to create? So it's in your hand. It's in your hand. So do you want to have that kitch pitch wala life, blaming, complaining and criticizing wala life? Okay? Or you want to have a beautiful, full of joy, full of abundance, free flow. You want to have that joyful life with your family where you are dancing, they are enjoying, and they are also saying like, wow, मेरी मम्मी का तो जवाब नहीं. वाह क्या मम्मी मिली है मेरे को, ऐसी मम्मी होनी चाहिए. सो सी क्या आपके बच्चे बोलते हैं ऐसा कि वाह यार क्या मम्मी मिली है मेरे को, कितनी फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, कितनी मतलब जब देखो हंसाती रहती है और हर उसमें मतलब कितनी खुश रहती है. सो यू हैव टू सी. So if you stay happy, your kids will stay happy, and you will create abundance into your life. You will create happiness because happiness attracts happiness. Oh, wow. Wow, what an angel number. 21, 21, 21, 21. Wow. So these numbers are called angel numbers like 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Now I can see on my screen 21, 21. Okay. And
Ma'am, my birthday date is 21.
21 today.
Mhm.
Okay, so
No, no,
21.
date,
Okay, very
date,
nice.
21.
Very good.
My favorite number.
Favorite number. Yes. Okay, so see, so these are some of the examples. So how do you see your life? So you have to check again and again how I'm feeling, how I'm feeling, how I'm feeling. Am I feeling happy? Am I feeling energetic? Am I feeling enthusiastic? Or I'm feeling irritated, frustrated, or I'm feeling angry. So if you are feeling that, frustration, so you have to change your state immediately. So you have to catch yourself, right? Yes. So now let me start. Let me begin the main session, which is going to be the magical footsteps. So if you have gone to any beach, so when you walk along the beach, so you create some footprints, right? So everybody, whenever we walk, so we create some footprints. So what kind of footprints do you want to create into your life? So how do you create those footsteps? Whenever you are going, walking along the beach, so are you creating the footprints of the fear? So whenever you are walking, so what is there into your mind? Fear, or what is there into your mind? Anger, jealousy, or when you are walking along, the beaches, like on these types of area where these areas are full of abundance. So what do you think in your mind? That is very important whenever you walk to those places. So what kind of footprints do you want to create for future, for your kids, for your own self, for your family? Do you
I
want to
feel
create a
calm and cool. I
calm
feel
and
calm
peaceful,
and cool,
powerful,
peaceful.
stable,
Mm.
aligned,
Fulfillment.
Um,
yeah, fulfillment?
mm.
Because the best gift that a mother can give to their child is a powerful, peaceful, calm, stable, aligned mother. Aligned mother, right? So see what kind of a person you are and what kind of legacy you want to create, what kind of inheritance that you want to give to your kids. A fearful mother, a doubtful mother, underconfident mother, or the confident mother. So what kind of footprints you are creating? Footprints of fear, footprints of doubt, or footprints of gratitude? So I want you to make it a habit of yours that you have to be grateful in each and every situation, whatever it is. Okay, so let me share the screen. I hope I have created a lot of, context of today's session. And now you will better understand. So welcome to day number 19, Magic Footsteps. So this is a picture, beautiful picture, right? So there is this beach and this is the city, and along the beach we can see there are some footprints and some magic is happening on the footprints. So these are the footprints of gratitude. If you create the footprints of gratitude, you can create your life magical. So you can see that person is full of gratitude and that person is leaving the footprints, and like magic is happening, and each and every step is becoming magical. Okay, so I want you also to live the life of gratitude so that you create the footstep for your family, for your own self. You can make your life magical. Your each and every step is going to be magical. Because gratitude lights up your journey, lights up your journey like this. So your life will be light up. So 100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depend on the labors of other men, living and dead, and that I must exert myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and am still receiving. See, who is saying? Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, you all know, Nobel Prize winning physicist. Okay, so 100 times every day I remind myself. Albert Einstein is saying, so he was a person of gratitude. He was a person of, like, he was full of gratitude. On every step throughout his life, he has given a lot of gratitude. On each and every step, he was so grateful, so grateful. So 100 times every day, I remind myself that I have to be grateful. I have to be grateful. 100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depend on the labors of other men, living or dead. Living or dead people. My life is dependent on others. So I didn't create my life. So who created my life? I am dependent on others. So how, why he's saying so many labors? We are walking on the roads. There are so many, night bulbs, night lights, and there are so many trees. I didn't grow the trees. I didn't make those roads. I didn't plant those trees. I didn't, वो जो लैंप्स लगे होते हैं, मैंने नहीं लगाए. Everything. There are so many bridges. I can see the bridge like behind Ashwini as well. So I didn't make that bridge. So who make? Engineers. They people make that bridge. Have you seen Lakshman Jhula, Ram Jhula in Haridwar? We didn't make. So we just walk on that. So do we have any right to walk on that? Did you do something to make that? No, we didn't do anything. Somebody created. So we have to be so grateful that we could see those bridges. Abhi, our life has become so easy. In every tap, in my washroom, in my kitchen, like everywhere, there is water. We didn't dig those, soil and हमने वो pipes नहीं बिछाए, हमने कुछ नहीं किया. We got everything done. Everything we got. Our life is so comfortable. Can we guys imagine कि हमें खुद से कि नहीं, आज मैं अपनी वो खोदूंगी, मैं अपना पानी खुद मिट्टी में से निकालूंगी, फिर मैं पीऊंगी, और मैं अपने कपड़े खुद सिलूंगी. मैं खुद कॉटन अपने खेत में उगाऊंगी, फिर मैं कॉटन तोड़ूंगी, फिर मैं उससे वो बनाऊंगी, देन आई विल like सिलूंगी द ड्रेस एंड देन आई विल बी I will stitch my dress by my own, then I'll wear. So our life is so comfortable. So it's because of those people who have made it for us. Right? So our life is dependent on the labors of other men, whether they are living or dead. Everybody is not living. Some of them are dead as well. But we have to be very grateful that I must exert myself in order to give in some measure as I have. I must exert means try. I must try myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and am still receiving. Whatever you have received, so you have to be very grateful. अभी फैन से क्या मिल रहा है? हवा मिल रही है, तो वी हैव टू बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर द फैन. लाइट से क्या मिल रही है? वी आर गेटिंग लाइट, सो वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल. अंधेरे में 1 मिनट नहीं बैठ सकते. वी विल नॉट बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. So whatever we are getting from anything, so we have to be grateful. Are you guys getting? Are you with me, guys? Are you with me? Right? So we have to be grateful. We have to make it a habit. With those words, Einstein. So today's chapter is like Einstein's chapters only. So the way he used to live his life. So with those words, Einstein gave us a gift equal to his scientific discoveries. He gave us one of the magical secrets of his success, gratitude every day. Why he was so successful? Because on each and every step, he was so grateful. That was the mantra of his life, that on every step, I have to be grateful. So that's why he was so famous. और अभी तक पूरी दुनिया मतलब लाइक ही इज वेरी पॉपुलर, ही इज फेमस. लाइक जितनी भी मतलब साइंस में कितनी सारी डिस्कवरीज हुई हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर डन बाय हिम ओनली.
Ma'am, I want to ask something. कि how people know कि gratitude करने से और अच्छा मिलता है, but और ज्यादा मिलता है. How people get to know this?
The way you are getting to know, the way I got to know.
But you telling me, but after I want to ask कि 100 साल पहले किसी को कैसे पता चला ऐसे कि gratitude करने से ऐसा होता है.
Because people were doing, na? People were doing. So that's why they got to know that we are being more grateful. So that's why we are getting in abundance. So it was always there. It was always there. Our Nani Dadi, they also used to do that. Ancient people, everybody used to do that. Those people who were doing that, they were becoming rich. And those who were not doing that, they were not becoming rich. So it was to all. Haven't you seen your grandparents doing gratitude practices?
No, I have no.
No, but they were not doing that much practice. But somehow chota mota. So they were doing. Like for food, they were being grateful. So throughout their life, they were getting the food, na?
Actually
They were
मेरे
getting the
दादा
food. वो
दादी
भूख से
कभी
तो नहीं
नहीं
मर रहे
थे,
थे, right?
Yes, मेरे दादा दादी कभी नहीं थे. I since my childhood in mother's and father's side both are. So yes, I have no experience about it.
Okay. So now we got to know that if we do it more, so we will get more. So how rich people are becoming richer? By being grateful only. So now we know the formula. We will set the formula and we will also become rich. Yesterday also something magical. Today itself, something magical. And you will say, मैम आप तो कितने मतलब मैजिक ऐसे होते रहते हैं. बहुत सारे मैजिक होते रहते हैं. You know what happened 6 months ago? My husband gave me 2 lakh rupees to keep it in the Elmira. So that time it was, I don't know whether it was January or February, but it was the winter time. So he gave me 2 lakh rupees to keep it in the Elmira. So he said, okay, so within 1 or 2 days I'll be taking it. I have to give it to somebody. ओके सो आई केप्ट इट इन द एक शॉल होती है ना, शॉल में मैंने जिसमें विंटर की आई हैव अ सेपरेट अलमीरा, तो मैंने उसमें आगे आगे रख दिए. तो मैंने कहा व्हेनेवर ही विल बी आस्किंग आई विल गिव इट टू हिम. ही आल्सो फॉरगॉट, आई आल्सो फॉरगॉट. एंड टुडे ही इज आस्किंग मी, पूनम वो जो मैंने 1 लाख रुपीज आई गेव इट टू यू ना, यू डू यू रिमेम्बर? सो आई हैवंट आस्क्ड यू, यू गिव इट टू बैक, यू गिव मी बैक. मैंने कहा यार, या आपने दिए तो थे, लेट मी सी. तो इट वॉज नॉट 1 लाख रुपीज बट इट वॉज 2 लाख रुपीज. ही ऑल्सो फॉरगॉट, आई ऑल्सो फॉरगॉट. मुझे पता था कि वो 2 लाख है, बट उसको उनको माई हस्बैंड फॉरगॉट कि ही सेड ओके सो यू गिव मी दैट वो 1 लाख रुपीज. सो आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम द एलमीरा एंड आई सेड नो, यू गेव मी 2 लाख रुपीज. सो एंड आई वॉज लाइक डांसिंग. मैंने कहा वाह यार, yesterday in my to do list, my top priority was my top to do list में I wrote that आई वॉन्ट दैट वो 1 लाख रुपीज दैट आई हैव टू बाय द लैपटॉप. मैंने कहा ये यूनिवर्स, मेरा तो इंतजाम हो गया. 6 महीने से आप भूले हुए थे ना. एंड आई एम लाइक डांसिंग. मैंने कहा नहीं, क्या तो तुम्हारा अच्छा है यार, जो भी कुछ मिल जाए कहीं से, कुछ भी रखो, खुद ही रखो, खुद ही भूल जाओ, और फिर बोलो जी आज गॉड ने दिया, यूनिवर्स ने. मैंने कहा देखो आपको तो याद नहीं था ना. अरे सुबह से मैं घर में पूरे में उछल कूद में जाके मैंने कहा मुझे इस 1 लाख रुपीज का, बिकॉज यू फॉरगॉट, दिस इज नॉट माई फॉल्ट, दिस इज नॉट माई फॉल्ट. कि मुझे तो अब ये जो पैसे रखा ना, आप पता नहीं आप कब लेने वाले थे, आप तो पूरे वो 2 लाख ही भूल गए. एंड नाउ यू आर सेइंग यू गिव मी दैट 1 लाख बट इट वॉज 2 लाख रुपीज. मैंने कहा अब इस 1 लाख का आई हैव टू बाय दैट लैपटॉप वेन एवर यू आर गेटिंग द टाइम. सो इस 1 लाख रुपीज का तो अब वो लैपटॉप ही आएगा। एंड आई एम लाइक वाह, आई एम सो हैप्पी। मैंने कहा अभी कल टू डू लिस्ट बनाया इवनिंग में, एंड नाउ इट इज तथास्तु, इट इज डन। मैंने कहा मुझे तो दे दिया, आई डोंट नो अब आपको 2 लाख का 1 लाख याद है, तो आपको तो 1 ही लाख मिलने वाला है। सो तेरा पैसा मेरा पैसा, मेरा पैसा तो मेरा है ही है। यहां से भी आ जाए तो भी मेरा, यहां से भी आ जाए तो भी मेरा। राइट। सो सिंस मॉर्निंग लाइक वी हैव बीन लाइक
मैम
डांसिंग एंड लाइक
मैम हेयर वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, इफ यूनिवर्स इज गिविंग अस एनी अमाउंट तो वो कोई
हम्म।
ना कोई रीजन बना के देगा। हम ये
यस,
नहीं बोलेंगे कि हाँ
डेफिनेटली।
चमत्कार हो गए या कुछ, तो कुछ ना कुछ लॉजिक तो उसके साथ डेफिनेटली जुड़ेगा ना। तो क्योंकि ऐसे मतलब वही था कि चैप्टर में कि हाँ आपको हो सकता है कोई रिटर्न आ जाए, टैक्स रिटर्न हो
हम्म।
जाए जैसे मेरे साथ हुआ था। सो
हम्म।
देयर वुड बी एनी लॉजिक, तो लॉजिकल लोगों को वो लॉजिक दिखेगा, है
लॉजिकल
ना।
लॉजिकल लोगों को लॉजिक दिखेगा, मैजिकल
हमें तो
वालों को
मैजिक
मैजिक दिखेगा,
दिखेगा।
बट इट्स मैजिक। It's magic. For me, it's
मैम
magic. And this is the one thing. And there are many other things as well. Many more
राइट
other
राइट
things as well. Otherwise वो
एग्जैक्टली।
पता नहीं कैसे, मतलब एंड आई एम तो लाइक स्टंट सुबह से, मतलब कि वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल, अमेजिंग। और मैं तो वो गाने चला के मैं सुबह से नाच, मुझे तो 1 लाख रुपए से मेरा तो इस मंथ का हो गया।
मैं तो क्लोजर से उठ के आई हूँ और अभी नाच के आई हूँ।
ओके, वाओ, वेरी
आई हैव
नाइस, वेरी
जस्ट
नाइस,
डांस्ड। हाँ,
ब्यूटीफुल।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। और
Too
मैम हो
much
रहा है
magic,
मीन्स,
magic dust on you. More
थैंक यू
power to
सो
you.
मच मैम। मैम मैं आज गुरुद्वारा साहिब गई इवनिंग में। इट वाज लाइक
हम्म।
मतलब पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बैठे बैठे हुआ कि आज प्रसाद ना मुझे बेसन का लड्डू मिल जाए, मीन्स दैट
हम्म।
इज माय फेवरेट स्वीट। और पता नहीं मैंने कितनी देर से नहीं खाया है, बिकॉज
ओके।
माय नो वन इन माय फैमिली लाइक, है ना।
हम्म।
तो जब मैं सेवादार जी के पास गई ना प्रसाद लेने के
हम्म।
लिए, उनके हाथ में जब मैंने बेसन का लड्डू देखा, मतलब मैं एकदम शॉक रह गई कि ये कैसे,
वाह,
मुझे मैं
सुपर।
मिला नहीं, पता नहीं कितनी देर के बाद मैंने खाया होगा वो। अगर इतना ही वो
हम्म।
नॉर्मल होता, मीन्स इतना ऑर्डिनरी होता वो प्रसाद या कहीं पे भी वो मिठाई, तो मतलब बहुत देर के बाद मैंने खाया। तो आई
यस।
वॉज जस्ट शेयरिंग शेयरिंग दिस टू माई सन। तो बोला कि मम्मा आप बिलीव कर रहे हो मैजिक है, तो हो भी सकता था ना कि मैंने बोला कि इतनी देर पहले क्यों नहीं हुआ, इतनी
यस,
सारी
यस,
मिठाई वहां पे बंटती है गुरुद्वारा में, तो आज
और
ही क्यों जब
वाई
मैंने उसको
बेसन का लड्डू
टेस्ट कर
ओनली?
ली।
वाई
हाँ
बेसन का
बेसन का
लड्डू?
लड्डू।
या
हाँ मतलब लिटरली जब मैंने सेवादार के हाथ में वो देखा, जब उसने निकाला, मतलब मेरे पास कोई वर्ड नहीं थे। आई वाज जस्ट कि हाँ भाई ये मैजिक हो रहा है,
या
जो जो
मैजिक,
मैनिफेस्ट
मैजिक।
कर रहे हैं।
Yeah, this is the way magic happens. And the same thing happened with one of my friends as well. She was dreaming of that bundi ka laddu. Bundi ka laddu.
हम्म।
She got that. She got that bundi ka laddu. उसकी वो पड़ोसन ने उसको देकर गई। उसकी पड़ोसन
राइट।
देकर गई उसको बूंदी का लड्डू।
हम्म
एंड शी वाज आल्सो लाइक वाओ। एंड शी वाज टेलिंग कि ऐसे ऐसे उसका मन कर रहा था, और वो उसी दिन ही, जैसे उसके
हम्म
माइंड में आया, उसी दिन उसको मिल गया।
हम्म
See, so that's why who is attracting? You people are attracting. I attracted that extra money. You attracted that extra money. You will start
राइट
getting more closure. You will start getting something extra. You will start getting incentive. You will start closing more people. So it's up to you
राइट।
only. So how do you, keep your energy? How do you carry your energy? Positive or negative? Okay, so be grateful. छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए बहुत, you have to be happy. Feel happy, right? Okay. Yes. Let me share. Yes. Wow, so happy that बेसन का लड्डू मिल गया कुलविंदर को. Okay, so Einstein is the inspiration behind today's magical practice, and you are going to follow in his footsteps to bring success to your life. Today, like Einstein, you will say thank you 100 times, and you are going to do it by taking 100 magic footsteps. While it might seem unbelievable to you that taking footsteps can make a difference to your life, you will discover that it is one of the most powerful things you can do. Your each and every footstep is so, so magical, the way we have seen in the picture. Okay, so today we will be creating some more magic with our footsteps only, and how like our footsteps can be so, so magical if with each and every footstep we say thank you. And how we have to do it? So Rhonda Byrne will let us know. See, God gave you a gift of 86,400 seconds today. Have you used one to say thank you? In one single day, how many seconds are there? 86,400. 24 hours, एक घंटे में, एक दिन में, in a day, there are 24 hours and this much seconds, 86,400. Have you used one to say thank you? How many times you have said thank you today? How many times? And today I have gone to many places, as I told you. Okay, so everywhere, wherever I was going, so I have said thank you to like so many people. I went to chemist shop. I went to garden. I went to market as well with my husband. So like so many places I went and to each and every one. जैसे मैंने pomegranate लिया, आज potato लिए, जहां जहां से भी जो भी कुछ लिया, तो to each and every one. When I came back, so that garbage collector was standing at my doorstep. So I said, "Thank you, bhaiya. Have you taken the garbage?" So he said, "Yes." मैंने कहा, "Thank you, bhaiya." Because every day we don't meet, so I keep it outside my home, so he takes it away. So today when I came back from somewhere, so he was standing at the door and I said, "Have you taken the garbage?" He said, "Okay." So I said, "Thank you." Like to each and everyone, to whomsoever you are meeting, so you can say na. So you have to make it a habit. जो आप पहले नहीं बोलते थे, you just started saying thank you to each and
Yes,
everyone.
ma'am. Already have that habit. Earlier, I
Yeah.
was not realized that I was saying thank you, but now I'm just okay. I'm said thank you. I realize
Yes.
now.
Yes. Your whole day, Ashwini, I'm telling you, will become magical because whenever you say thank you, na, it comes from the heart, right? So you stay happy. And when you stay happy, you change your energy and you attract happiness. And your whole day will become magical. Everything, whatever you will be doing, you will be like full of joy. कि वाह यार बहुत अच्छी feeling हो रही है. And you will not get to know कि वो good feeling वो आ कहाँ से रही है. Because you were being grateful. Right? So that's why. So to take magic footsteps, you take one step and in your mind say the magic words. Thank you. As your foot touches the ground, then again say thank you. As your other foot touches the ground, one foot thank you, next foot thank, and continue saying the magic words with every footstep. Okay, so as many times as you can. So like I'm sitting in this room in my bedroom, so whenever I'll be going to the kitchen, so it will take like 10 to 12 steps, so we can say on each and every step. Otherwise what you will be thinking into your mind, something so will be going on into your mind. So better you say thank you. Okay, at least for one day you have to do it, and whenever you are free, whenever you get to know ki yeah I have to say, so then only, whenever you get that consciousness, yes I can be in the grateful position, so you have to be. जब भी याद आ जाए कभी, you have to start being grateful, right? तो जैसे किचन में जा रहे हो, वॉशरूम में जा रहे हो, लिविंग रूम में जा रहे हो, बाहर बालकनी में जा रहे हो, माई बालकनी इज ऑफ फ्रॉम हेयर टू देयर, इट्स ऑफ 10 steps. 10 steps. So now Rhonda will be telling you that you have to take 100 steps and it will take only 90 seconds. 90 seconds में you can take 100 steps. So daily, once in a day, you have to say thank you like on 100. कहीं तो जाते होगे आप लोग, कहीं कहीं दूध लेने मार्केट में, कहीं मदर डेयरी पे, आई तो गो डेली. Okay, so it takes only 5 to 10. It's just 5 to 10 minutes away from my house. Okay, so whenever I go, so I say thank you on every step. So it takes only 5 minutes, right? So you have to see for yourself wherever you are going. So at what time, like you can be thankful. At least once in a day. It will take 90 seconds. 100 steps, 90 seconds. 1.5 minute लगता है only. So the best thing about magic footstep is that you can take any number of magic footsteps anywhere at any time. Through your house from one room to another, walking to get your lunch or coffee, taking the trash out, कूड़ा निकालने में भी जैसे आप जाते हो तो it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So that time also 90 seconds लगते हैं. Walking to a business meeting, on your way to catch a cab, train or bus, you can take magic footstep on your way to anything that is important to you, like exams. If you are going for exam, if you are going for a date, for a job interview, for an audition, to meet a client, to the bank, ATM, dentist, doctor, hairdresser, to see your team play in a sports game, down corridors, through airport terminals, in parks, or from one block to another. So you also must be going somewhere on daily basis. कहीं ना कहीं तो जाते होगे. So you have to anchor that. कि जैसे I have anchored it with my mother dairy. So I daily go there. So it takes only 5 to 10 minutes. I just go, I take the milk and I come back. So मैंने वो एंकर करके रखा होगा this time whenever I'll be going, so I have to say thank you on each and every footstep. पूरे दिन में आपको याद नहीं, if you anchor कि this time I have to say, you will never ever forget. और आपकी practice done. Or what else I do? So whenever after the session, so my husband comes from 9 to 11 p.m. वो इसी बीच में घर आते हैं 9 p.m. से 11 p.m. के. Sometimes so I'm in the session, and when after completing the session, okay, so when he's taking the dinner or I am waiting for him after session also, if he doesn't come, so like I go to the balcony. So my balcony is of 10 steps, so I just have to take 5 rounds and it will be like 100 steps done within 90 seconds. Okay, so that like you have to set an anchor कि आपको कैसे किस time you have to do. So these are 2 timings that I do while going and coming back from the mother dairy, and when I'm waiting for my husband, or sometimes whenever he's taking the dinner और वो बालकनी के साथ वाले रूम में, so then I like go there and I do that practice, right? So I take magic footsteps around my home, from my bed to my bathroom, kitchen to my bedroom, and outside to my car and the mailbox. Whenever I walk down a street or walk anywhere, I choose a point as my destination and I put gratitude in my footsteps all the way. So you have to set one anchor कि this is the time I'll never forget. So you will never forget कि इस टाइम तो मुझे करना ही करना है. जैसे ही आप उतरोगे,
मैम
like you will be
हाउ
able to
वी
do it.
हैव टू से इट कि मैं एक पास चल रही हूँ और थैंक यू बट थैंक यू फॉर समथिंग, इसी कुछ नहीं बोलना. मतलब मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आई पुट सम वन स्टेप एंड आई से दैट थैंक यू फॉर माय नोज, थैंक यू फॉर माय आईज, इज लाइक दैट
Yes,
ओनली
it's like
थैंक
that. Yeah, it's like that only. It's not like thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's not like the way we used to do in our childhood. Ram Ram ek, Ram Ram do, Ram Ram do. You must have gone to any go to any temples in your childhood with your mom. So there the people used to do Ram Ram ek, Ram Ram do, Ram Ram teen. So you don't have to do like that. Thank you one, thank you two, thank you or thank you, thank you. No, you have to feel that feeling for what you are saying thank you. Thank you for the food, thank you for the air I breathe, thank you for the water, thank you for my nose, thank you for my eyes, thank you for this picturesque beauty. So you have to say thank you for something. It's not like thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. वो आप feeling ही नहीं आ रहा तो वो तो आप it's like you are throwing thank you. It's like going to the air. वो तो there will be no feeling ना. So you have to feel it. So why you are being grateful? So Rhonda was you have to give the reason. After thank you, what? For what you are being grateful. Then only the feeling will come. Why 100 times? Why 100 steps? 100 steps is minimum. Then only you will start feeling. ऐसे तो फीलिंग स्टार्टिंग के 5-10 स्टेप में तो आपको फीलिंग ही नहीं आएगा इफ यू डोंट से एनीथिंग व्हाई यू आर बीइंग थैंकफुल.
Like while taking footsteps, the time would be we would not have enough time to mention as well that for what we are grateful for. Thank you for what. So while taking steps,
Yeah, I didn't get that, Kulwinder.
means while taking every step, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It is possible to say thank you with each step. But thank you for what? Thank you for eyes. Thank you for वो थोड़ा slow नहीं हो जाएगा मैम?
Yeah, it's okay.
मतलब मैम
What
बोलना
then?
चाह रही है कि
So it is going to take. आप 100 मत लो. आप 100 नहीं बोल पाओगे. आप 50 बोल पाओगे. आप 50 नहीं बोल पाओगे. आप 30 बोल पाओगे. आप करो तो. करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट एंड फीलिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
आई थिंक स्टेप्स के साथ नहीं करने. स्टेप्स इज लाइक एज एन एग्जांपल रॉन्डबम सेज
Yeah, that also she will be
स्टेप्स.
telling. She will be telling. The answer is there in the book only. Okay, so let me read out. You will get the answer. See. So I take magic footsteps around my home from my bed. Okay, so this is done now. So if you take notice of how you are feeling before you begin, and then you will notice a big difference in how you feel after you have taken magic footsteps. It doesn't matter if you can't get much of a feeling of gratitude while you are taking or taking them. I promise you will still feel better, feel happier afterward. If you are feeling down, magic footsteps will make you feel better. And even if you are feeling great, magic footsteps will lift your spirits even higher. So you will start feeling better. You will start feeling better. To take the most effective magic footsteps, take magic footsteps for about 90 seconds. This is how long it will take the average person to take 100 steps at a leisurely pace. मतलब जितना भी स्लो या जितना भी फास्ट करोगे वो 90 सेकेंड्स तो लगेंगे ही लगेंगे। एक बिल्कुल कोई बिल्कुल लीजरली पर्सन है ना, उसके लिए भी 90 सेकेंड इज मिनिमम, इतना तो आपको करना ही करना है, एंड इट विल बी डन इन 90 सेकेंड 100 स्टेप्स। सो दिस प्रैक्टिस इज नॉट अबाउट taking 100 steps exactly. It's not about taking 100 steps exactly. You can take more than that, you can take less than that, but taking at least that number of steps, because it will probably that number of footsteps to make a difference to the way you feel. Otherwise वो feeling नहीं आएगी। लेस देन 100 से तो आपको वो फीलिंग नहीं आएगी। सो दैट्स व्हाई इट वेरी, सो सी व्हेनेवर वी हैव टू लर्न anything new, so I don't know the name of the book, so there is this book in which I don't know whether it is one thing or what, like whenever we learn any new thing, so it takes 10,000 hours, or you can say 1,000 days. So gratitude is also like that. Because see, up to 40 years, now whatever is your age, okay? So whatever, I think we all are almost like 40, right? So 40 years तक तो हमने किया नहीं gratitude. So we were doing like random, like thank you, कभी किया, कभी नहीं, and we were not very aware. It was not in our consciousness कि हमें ऐसे भी करना होता है. But when we are doing it, so it will take time, at least 100 days, 100 days, or at least 1 year. So you will have to continue practicing, because this is a new thing for us. So now we are being grateful for each and everything. So many things are there. Magical footsteps are there. Magical relationships are there. Magical money is there. Magic dust is there. So many chapters are there. We are doing gratitude for so many things. But every time it's not possible कि 24 घंटे like we are being grateful. तो जब भी याद आ जाए, तो you have to start doing. आफ्टर सम टाइम, आफ्टर 100 days, इट विल बी लाइक ऑटोपायलट। जब भी आपको कुछ दिखा, जब भी कुछ आया, एंड आफ्टर दिस चैप्टर ऑल्सो देर आर अदर चैप्टर्स एज वेल। So we are getting to know how we can be more grateful, how we can be more, what else we can do, what else we can do. ये याद नहीं रहा, वो तो याद रहेगा, ये भी भूल गया तो कुछ तो याद रहेगा। सो दिस इज जस्ट द वे ऑफ लिविंग कि कितना आप कर पाते हो, कितनी कितनी लाइट आपके अंदर है। सो हैव यू सीन देर आर मेनी पीपल, देर आर 40 people in a class, okay? So everybody will not become the topper. The person who will more practice, that person will become first, and like those who will be doing less practice, they will come second, then third, and there will be like normal people, average people as well. So it's up to you. Everybody will not become the topper. जितना ज्यादा आप करोगे उतना ज्यादा आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा, दैट इज द थिंग। Are you with me? Are you with me? Right? Okay. So because it will probably take that number of footsteps to make a difference to the way you feel. Once you are clear on the approximate distance, you can take your 100 steps of gratitude anytime during the day. दिन के किसी भी टाइम में, मॉर्निंग में, इवनिंग में, आफ्टरनून में, don't count the footsteps when you are doing the practice, because you will be counting instead of saying thank you. The magic words with each step. So you don't have to count. Because if you will start counting, you will be counting only. So there will be no feeling कि जैसे कि thank you 1, thank you 2. So you don't have to do like that कि अभी हमें 100 ही करने हैं. It could be more than 100, it could be less than 100. Like I told you, my balcony is of 10 steps from here to there. एक को राउंड लगाने में उसको 20. So that means I have to take 5 rounds. So 100 steps are done. So it's not like कि पूरा ज्यादा हो गया, ऐसे तो मैं वो थैंक यू ही करती जाऊंगी. There will be no feeling. So you have to feel it as well. अगर 1.5 की जगह 2 मिनट लग रहा है, 3 मिनट लग रहा है, 4 मिनट लग रहा है, फीलिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर थैंक यू के साथ कुछ नहीं भी बोल रहे, बट यू हैव टू फील दैट वो ग्रेटफुल कि मैं थैंक यू तो हूं, एटलीस्ट मैं ग्रेटफुल तो हूं, वो अच्छी फीलिंग तो आ रही है करते हुए। So whenever you are doing this practice, you will be able to see so many things around you. If you are walking on the road, so there are many things around you. There could be some shops. If you see in any of the shops, like there are no people, so you can put that magic dust. Okay, may God bless you with so many, customers. So that also like you can feel. So if you are giving that gratitude कि उसकी दुकान पे बहुत ज्यादा कस्टमर आए, तो you will see the magic happening in your life as well. You will start getting more customers, more clients. You will be closing more clients. If you are being grateful for other people, because जो आपने दिया वो तो आपके पास आना ही आना है. Whatever goes around comes around. आपने किसी को ब्लेसिंग दिया more customers का, you will also start getting more clients, customers. Because every action has an equal and opposite reaction. जो आपके पास से आए जाएगा वो आपके पास वापस लौट के मल्टीपल होके वो आएगा ही आएगा. So when you have completed today's magical practice, you will have you will have said the magic words thank you 100 times. How many days of your life have you said thank you 100 times? Do you remember? कब आपने 100 times thank you एक बारी में बोला था? Do you remember any of the days? मतलब इतने इतने सालों में कभी आपने 100 times thank you एक बारी में बोला? तो today we are going to do that. And Einstein did it every day. और वो डेली करता था, डेली करता था. और वैसे भी आई हैव सीन लाइक देयर आर मेनी पीपल, जो भी जितने भी रिनाउंड पीपल, पॉपुलर, फेमस, जितने भी ये सब हुए, दे पीपल वर वेरी ग्रेटफुल, वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे वर एट द टॉप. They achieved something and people are remembering them. The people were very humble, very grateful. Okay, so magic practice number 19, magic footsteps. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you. Thank you and thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Take 100 magic footsteps for about 90 seconds in gratitude anytime during the day. Okay, so in the practice session, we will be doing it. I'll be giving you 2 minutes, and like within this area only, in your room only, you have to take 100 steps, and you have to be grateful, and you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you at each and every step. With each footstep, say and feel the magic words. Thank you. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock. Hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Got it? So this is the practice. So take 100 magic footsteps. So that we'll be taking today in the practice session only. Yes, any question on this? Yes, any
Ma'am,
question,
how to
Ashwini?
count the step? How we will come to know that whether it's 100 or 50? If you're
So
saying
for
20,
today, you have to count, Ashwini, because this is
okay.
your first day, so you have to count. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you will get to know na कि कितना area. For today's practice only, we will be counting.
Mm-hmm.
ओके, अदरवाइज नो नीड टू काउंट. वो आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा, एक से एक उसमें ही आपको काउंट आइडिया हो जाएगा कि कितने कहाँ पे आपके 10 आ रहे हैं. तो उतने आप गो एंड बैक, गो एंड बैक, गो एंड बैक, सो यू विल गेट द आइडिया, राइट?
Okay.
ओके. यस, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? इशिता, कुलविंदर, एनी
Ma'am,
क्वेश्चन?
I have one question, but I don't know that asking that question would be right or wrong. पर मैंने बहुत बार कुछ लोगों को देखा है that is those have really in bad financial condition. और ऐसी कंडीशन में भी ना वो लोगों को मैंने देखा है कि वो हमेशा एक ही बात बोलते हैं कि शुक्र है वाहिगुरु दा शुक्र है, मतलब जो भी मिला है, मतलब हमारे पंजाबी में बोलते हैं कि भाने विच रहना मीन्स वट एवर द गॉड इज गिविंग यू वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. तो मैम उनके साथ इतना बुरा क्यों होता है? मीन्स दे आर फेसिंग द वर्स्ट सिचुएशन इन देयर लाइफ. इवन आई हैव हर्ड वन पर्सन, वो अपनी ओल्ड एज में था, उसने बोला कि मेरे 6 बेटे थे, 6 के 6 उनकी डेथ होगी, 6 के 6 उनकी. फिर उसको पूछा गया कि आपको शिकायत नहीं है भगवान से? तो बोला कि उसने दिए थे वो ले गया, शायद यही था, मतलब मेरी किस्मत में यही था. बट स्टिल ही इज फेसिंग द वर्स्ट सिचुएशन in
तो
his
उसकी
life.
इंटेलिजेंस देखी कुलविंदर तुमने? देखो उसको उसको उसके 6 के 6 ले लिए, तब भी वो देखो कितना स्टेबल है। वाई
हम्म
ही स्टेबल? और आपने देखा होगा किसी किसी के पास एक है, वो भी ले ले तो भी वो इतना दुखी हो जाता है। उसके 6 के 6 ले लिए, देन ऑल्सो लाइक ही इज नॉट दैट मच, यू नो।
हाँ, वो
फिर वो
इतना
है
वो
ना
दुखी नहीं था।
इंटेलिजेंस, वो उसकी शुक्र की वजह से ही है ना, जो उसकी लाइफ में जो उसकी स्टेबिलिटी
अच्छा।
है। दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी
हम्म।
ओनली। ही इज अलाइंड।
ओके, सो it is not just about money, we can say, हाँ।
हम्म।
तो
हम्म।
मे बी वो आपकी आपकी जो अंतर की आपकी स्थिति है ना, that could be
हम्म।
one of the
यस।
matter of abundance.
या, you know, I was reading a book, and in that book it was written that the person who is the priest of the temple, okay, so daily, din ra, day in day out, he is japifying the mala and Rama Krishna, like the whole day, like he is doing that. उसको भी हो सकता है कि बहुत से नीचे वाले, आई टोल्ड यू ना देर आर 7 रियल, ओके,
हम्म
सो नीचे वाले जो बिल्कुल लोअर रियल में है, तो हो सकता है वो जो प्रीस्ट है टेम्पल का वो उसमें जाए। और द पर्सन हु इज like normal person, those people who are roaming around, they people
हम्म।
also can go to that वो highest वाला realm, because that
ओके।
person also can be so much spiritual। और वो जो मंदिर का पुजारी है ना, वो भी हो सकता है कि वो इतना स्पिरिचुअल नहीं है, बाहर कुछ और है दिखावे के लिए और अंदर कुछ और है। वो भी सबसे नीचे वाली उसमें जा सकता है, और जो एक वो नॉर्मल दिखने वाला इंसान है वो भी एक ऊपर, क्योंकि वो एवरीथिंग इज है, हु यू
हम्म।
आर, दैट इज द थिंग। आई होप यू गॉट द आंसर।
Intensity means it depends on
इंटेंशन,
intensity.
यस। यस। ओके, सो थैंक यू एवरीवन।